welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel for those of you who are new, and I create everything lifestyle from home decor and DIY to fashion and beauty. If any of that interests you, I'd love to have you join the family, so don't forget to click that subscribe button. Today's video is all about my bathroom. I'm gonna share with you some simple and easy ways to add some new decor to your bathroom to give it a simple makeover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Also, just a little another note, if you like this shirt, guys, when I saw the shirt, I fell in love. It says living my best life. It's so simple, but yet so powerful. So if you guys want this shirt, I will leave a link to where I got it from below in the description box. Okay guys, so this is my bathroom as of right now. This is how it looks. This is the shower. As you can see, we don't have any towel storage yet. This is the tub. I got stuff all on my bathtub. You know, I'm gonna switch a lot of this out. Like I got stuff up there. And even if you look at our rugs, the rugs are different and they're old, and this one's missing a rug. Looking at this side, I mean, you can see, like, you know, it's just plain Jane, and it just needs a makeover. And even like with this chair, I can't really do my makeup in it because it's too low. I need a bar stool. So the walls are bare, but yeah, this is the before, and here's the after. Nothing drastic, all little changes here and there and additions, but yep, here's the after, and it's so refreshing. So now let's jump into details about how you can literally transform a bathroom quickly and easily. So the very first thing I like to do is to remove everything. That way you start with a clean slate all over again. So I'm gonna remove everything I have in here, all my accessories, take everything out. And this jar that I had, I actually used to keep my Epsom salt in that. I started that at my old house, keeping my Epsom salt in that, but I'm gonna try something different with that as well. So now I'm gonna add in some new bath rugs. Bath rugs can definitely make a difference in your bathroom. Like, you can do individual rugs, you could do one rug for your entire bathroom. I didn't want to do that right now. I love my floors, I wanted to see my floors, and then on top of that, a full rug wouldn't cover my shower exit door. Unfortunately, the way my toilet room is shaped, it wouldn't have reached over there. These rugs I actually got from Amazon, and I will leave links to them below. And I have to say, guys, I love these rugs. I have not washed them, FYI, I have not washed them yet, but just from the comfort and the softness of them, I love them. Another tip you can do is add paintings in your bathroom. Even though it's your bathroom, you still have walls and you still can decorate with wall art. Now, as of right now, we're not gonna add cabinetry in here, but a little later we probably will. So for now, because we can't really mess with our walls a lot right now because it's a new home, it's a lot. Anyway, so we're hanging this painting with some thumbtacks. Yep, thumbtacks. We hang most of our paintings around our home with thumbtacks. So my hubs help to hang all of these. And so the theme of this bathroom is just monochrome. It's really just black and white and marble themed. Now, adding bath decor is also an easy way to refresh your bathroom. And so I'm going for the marble theme, the whole black and white. So I found these marble decor pieces from different places, some from Walmart, some from Target, some from Home Goods. Each one had something different, so I definitely had to keep an eye out. But I like to fill my soap dishes with some Jergens soap that I use from Dollar Tree. I love that soap, I swear by God. For the hand soap, it's one of the best hand soaps you can get. So I also bought a little marble box. It serves as my trash can. So when I'm cleaning my face, my makeup wipes, I throw that in there so that I can keep my countertops clean and spacious. So adding little bath decor pieces around your bathroom also is a great thing you can do to give your bathroom a refresh. Adding flowers and plants also can make a huge difference in your bathroom. I found this plant from, I believe it was Ross, but it's in a marble vase, so that was perfect. I also found these plants from, I believe, Home Goods, and I love these. I have some of these, but a little bit taller in my kitchen, but I love these type of plants. It just adds a touch of greenery to it. Then I added an orchid to the side of my bathtub. But yeah, plants are little, but they make a huge difference. Now let's talk about some miscellaneous decor. So for this tray, I'm just gonna add some bath towels up here. I actually would have added a third on top, but I didn't have one clean. And I found this little clean marble box from Home Goods, and I'm just gonna add a candle up there as well. And so I keep shavers around my bathtub, so I'm just gonna throw those in there to store those. But that looks so much better than what I had before, and it's just nicely decorated now. Adding seating to your bathroom also is an awesome way to transform your bathroom. I found this white nickel seat from Home Goods. I found this bar stool from Overstock, and I wanted something again to match the bathroom, and it was chrome and white leather, and I thought that was perfect. And it lifted me up higher, which is what I needed. I'm short and I could not see myself in the mirror, so that was perfect. Now, storage is another issue we all face. I got this genius idea to add a bar cart in here because that way I can pull it to the bathtub when needed, and then I can store it back against the wall when I don't need it. I found this chrome bar cart, I believe from Wayfair, I think, but I will leave links to as much as I can below in case you guys are looking for something similar. And I also like to store my Epsom salt out, so I got this glass jar to put it in. And then I found this basket that I'm gonna keep all of my bath products in, and my scrubs and my bath foams and all of that, so that you can store it in a nice way. So this bar cart definitely comes in handy because it's just an easy way to store the things you need for your bathtub without your bathroom looking messy. And then I also found this little glass bowl from Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna store my bath balls in it. Perfect. Adding candles to your bathroom also just gives your bathroom just a hint of smell good. I love candles. So, and this one is Water Lemonade, one of my favorites from Bath & Body Works. I'm definitely a scents person, and I love for a room to smell good. That's one reason I love candles. candles. I think it's just a great way to add decor as well as nice smells and scents to a room. And I got these pearl candle holders from Z Gallery. These are lovely. They're beautiful. I love them. I also got a marble LED candle from Z Gallery as well. And then I had some candles that I had picked up from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree, I believe. And so I'm just adding these around my tub because I take baths almost every night. I am definitely a bath girl. But yeah, so I'm just gonna throw me some candles around. But yep, this is the complete final result. I love, love, love the transformation. Like I said, it's nothing extreme or drastic, just easy, simple changes and updates to the bathroom. Little changes can make a nice size difference in your bathroom, and I have to say I'm very happy with this. If you guys maybe want to see an under the sink organization video, drop me a comment below, or if you're struggling with something and you just want me to do a video on a certain topic, just let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And if you watched this video all the way to the end, I so appreciate it. Make sure to leave me a spirit fingers in the comments so that I know. Thank you guys so much. And I also have another video after this one that I'm gonna share with you some easy storage hacks for your bathroom, because like I don't have a linen closet, so I had to find some ways to add some extra storage. So if you are looking for storage, go ahead and make sure to head over there to that video and check that one out as well.